So today you'll notice that I'm actually starting out inside of my car, and the reason for that is that A, it is so windy out there that I will never get clean audio, and B, my regular camera is out of service, so I'm filming this on my iPhone 4, and basically what I'm going to be doing today is punching the dent out of the boot, which I've been putting off for far too long. So once again, not going to waste any time, let's just get to it.
So I started off by stripping the boot out, and in this video I'm not really going to be doing much talking. I'm just going to sort of let you watch the process, really.
I've stripped the boot out. As you can see, it has been punched in a little bit here as a result of the crash, because that clip is where it should be, and this one isn't on this little vent here. So that's going to have to be pushed back out, which should be really easy, but the access to the actual dent is not so great. So that's about it for today. I've decided to leave it here just because I need to let this paint harden up. As you can see, the bumper is still being held on with duct tape, but don't worry because I will be sorting that with the proper mounting hardware next time. And yeah, I'm just sort of going to leave it because frankly I am tired. Which brings me neatly into today's video sponsor, the Comfy Room. So the Comfy Room company offers a plethora of tailor-made comfy environments, often described as the comfiest places on earth, where you can go and relax for a fee, and I would strongly recommend it. That's where I'm off to now, got my car back together. So yeah, check them out, use my promo code and the link in the description, and yes, I will see you all next time when I get this bumper and this car fixed and finished. Finally. Wow, this has been an arduous process. Thank you very much for watching.